No money, no problem. Make bank on YouTube and social media. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Ron Spons, and today we are about to blow your mind. What if I told you that you don't need money to start making money on YouTube and social media? Seriously, forget everything you thought you knew about needing a fancy setup or a huge budget. All you need is that phone in your pocket, some of your precious time, the time you spend scrolling endlessly, and a solid plan. We're going to break down 5 insane ways you can start generating income, and the best part, it costs you nothing to start. Let's get this bread, people. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's go. All right, first up, the big one, the classic, the dream for so many creators, YouTube ad revenue. This is literally YouTube paying you for the awesome content you're putting out there. Imagine getting a notification that says, YouTube just sent you money. It's an incredible feeling, and it's totally achievable without spending a dime to get started. You just need to put in the work, the grind, the hustle. You need to reach 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and then you need 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. But wait, there's more. YouTube recently threw in another option, especially for you shorts creators out there. If you're making those quick, snappy, viral shorts, you can also qualify for the YouTube Partner Program by getting 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you hit those magic numbers, whichever path you choose, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. You apply, they review your channel to make sure you're following all the YouTube monetization policies. No shady stuff, keep it clean, keep it original, and then, boom! If you're approved, you can start running ads on your videos. Those little ads before, during, or after your content, they start making you money. Every view, every click, it all adds up. Think about it. You're creating content about what you love, using just your smartphone and your creativity, and now you're getting paid for it. It's not going to be millions overnight, let's be real. Your first paycheck might be small, maybe enough for a pizza or a new game, but it's proof. It's proof that you can do this, that your time and effort are valuable. And that first taste of ad revenue is incredibly motivating, pushing you to create more, create better, and grow bigger. The key here, without spending money, is consistency and value. You need to be uploading regularly, whether it's daily, a few times a week, whatever you can realistically manage. And each video needs to give your audience a reason to watch, a reason to subscribe, a reason to come back for more. Are you entertaining them? Are you teaching them something? Are you inspiring them? Find your niche, find your voice, and deliver, deliver, deliver. Don't get discouraged if it takes time. Building an audience from scratch is a marathon, not a sprint. Every successful YouTuber started at 0 subscribers, 0 views, $0. They just didn't give up. They kept learning, kept adapting, kept creating. You got this. Let's make YouTube pay you. Okay, next up on our list of free ways to make money is something absolutely huge: affiliate marketing. This sounds complicated, but I promise you, it's super simple and incredibly powerful. Basically, you promote other companies' products or services. And when someone buys something through your unique link, you get a commission. And the best part? Signing up for most affiliate programs is completely free. No upfront costs, no hidden fees, just pure profit potential. Think about all the products and tools you already use and love. That editing software you use on your phone, that microphone you might have gotten as a gift, that cool AI tool that helps you write scripts or generate images. Chances are they have an affiliate program. You just sign up, get your special link, and then you can start sharing it with your audience. It's like recommending something to a friend, but now you get paid when they take your recommendation. There are so many programs out there. Amazon Associates is a massive one. You can link to literally millions of products on Amazon. If you're a gamer, you can link to the games you play, the gear you use. If you're into beauty, link to makeup products. If you're in tech, link to gadgets. Then there are tools like Canva, which has an amazing affiliate program. If you teach people how to make great graphics using Canva, why not get paid when they sign up for Canva Pro through your link? And with the AI boom, tons of AI software companies are offering affiliate programs. If you're making content about AI, showcasing cool AI tools, you can be earning commissions when your viewers sign up for those tools at Jasper, Copy.ai, Synthesia. So many of them want creators like you to spread the word. You're already creating content, so seamlessly integrating these affiliate links is a no-brainer. It's adding another income stream without any extra cost to you. The key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity. Don't just spam links to random products you've never used. Your audience trusts you, and you need to maintain that trust. Only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in, that you've used yourself, and that you know will provide value to your viewers. When your recommendations are honest, your audience will appreciate it, and they'll be more likely to purchase through your links. All right, team, let's talk about creating your own products. Now, before you say, Ronsbons, that sounds expensive and complicated, hold up. We're talking about digital products, and you can create and sell these for absolutely $0 up front. I'm serious. This is where your creativity can really shine and turn into actual cash. And it's one of the most underrated free methods out there. You're leveraging your knowledge and skills to create assets that people will pay for. What kind of digital products am I talking about? Think simple, valuable, and easy to create. We're talking ebooks, maybe a short guide on a topic you're an expert in, related to your channel's niche. If you're a gaming channel, it could be a strategy guide. If you're a cooking channel, a small recipe book. You can write this in Google Docs or any free word processor, save it as a PDF, and boom, you have a product. Is that easy to get started? Then there are AI-generated PDFs. With all the incredible free AI tools available now, you can create amazing resources. Maybe you use AI to help you outline a guide, generate some content ideas, or even create checklists and templates. You compile it, make it look nice using a free tool like Canva, and you've got another digital product. The possibilities are endless. Think about what your audience struggles with, what they need help with, and create a solution. Prompt guides are another huge one right now, especially with AI art and AI writing tools becoming so popular. People are desperate for good prompts to get the best results from these AI. If you've figured out some amazing prompts for Midjourney, ChatGPT, or any other AI tool, compile them into a guide. 100 killer prompts for amazing AI art, or the ultimate ChatGPT prompt guide for content creators. This is pure value, and people will pay for it. Now, where do you sell these amazing digital products you've created for free? There are platforms like Gumroad or Payip. These platforms are incredible because they allow you to set up a shop and sell your digital products, and many of them have free tiers or only take a small commission after you make a sale, so it costs you nothing to list your products. You create it for free, you list it for free, and you only share a tiny bit when you actually make money. It's a no-risk situation. Imagine creating an ebook or a prompt guide once. You spend a few hours, maybe a few days, putting it together. You upload it to Gumroad. Then you promote it in your YouTube videos, on your social media, in your email list, if you have one, which you can also start for free. And then people start buying it. All right, let's talk about getting brands to pay you directly. This is the world of sponsorships and UGC, user-generated content deals. And before you think, oh, I need millions of subscribers for that, let me stop you right there. That's a huge misconception. Even smaller creators, micro-influencers, can absolutely land brand deals if their content is niche, clean, and super consistent. Brands are looking for engaged audiences, not just massive numbers. So what's a sponsorship? It's when a brand pays you to feature their product or service in your content. This could be a dedicated video review, a quick mention in one of your regular videos, an Instagram post, a TikTok, you name it. The brand gets exposure to your audience and you get paid. It's a fantastic way to earn money, and it often pays much better per view than ad revenue, especially for smaller channels. Now, how do you get these deals when you're starting out and don't have a huge following? First, focus on your niche. If you have a very specific type of content, say vegan cat food reviews, super niche, I know. Brands in that specific space will be way more interested in your small, highly targeted audience than a general vlogger with the same number of subs. Niche down, build a dedicated community, and brands will notice. Keep your content clean. This is so important. Brands are very careful about who they associate with. If your content is full of drama, negativity, or anything controversial, most brands will steer clear. Keep it professional, keep it positive, and make sure your channel looks like a safe place for a brand to invest their marketing dollars. This means good quality, even if filmed on a phone, clear audio, and a consistent brand image for yourself. Consistency is also key. Brands want to see that you're regularly posting content and that your audience is engaged. If you post sporadically or your views are all over the place, it's harder for them to predict the kind of results they'll get. Show them you're serious, show them you're reliable, and show them you have a connection with your viewers. That engagement, comments, likes, shares is golden. Then there's UGC, or user-generated content deals. This is often an easier entry point. All right, last but definitely not least, let's talk about something super exciting: platform bonuses. This is literally the social media platforms themselves. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, giving you free money for creating awesome content. Can you believe it? They have these special funds and bonus programs designed to reward creators who are making viral hits or super engaging stuff. This is like the cherry on top of all your other monetization efforts. First up, let's talk about the TikTok Creator Fund. If you're making those short, snappy, entertaining TikToks that everyone is watching and sharing, you might be eligible for this. There are criteria, of course, like having a certain number of followers and views and being in a specific region. But if you qualify, TikTok literally pays you based on the performance of your videos. The more views, the more engagement, the more potential cash you can earn directly from the platform. Then there's Instagram, which has been experimenting with Reels bonuses. If you're creating killer Instagram Reels that are getting tons of views and engagement, Instagram might invite you to their bonus program. This is often an invite-only thing, so you need to be consistently posting high-quality Reels that capture attention. Imagine getting a notification from Instagram saying you're invited to earn a bonus for your Reels. That's free money for doing what you love. And of course, YouTube hasn't been left behind. They have the YouTube Shorts Fund, which was a way for them to reward creators making popular shorts, even before Shorts creators could fully monetize through the partner program. While the YPP for Shorts is now the main path, YouTube often runs bonus programs or challenges. Keep an eye on your YouTube Studio dashboard and official YouTube announcements for any new opportunities to earn extra cash from your shorts. The amazing thing about these platform bonuses is that they often reward virality and high engagement. So, if you're creating content that people genuinely love, share and watch over and over again, you're positioning yourself perfectly to potentially tap into these funds. So there you have it, 5 absolutely insane ways to start earning real money on YouTube and social media without spending a single dime. We talked about YouTube ad revenue, crushing it with affiliate marketing, creating your own free digital products, landing sponsorships and UGC deals, and even getting platform bonuses. If you're willing to trade your scrolling time for creation time, you can build something real. This isn't a dream. This is a practical roadmap you can start following today. Remember, money doesn't start the journey. Your mindset does. It's about believing in yourself, being consistent, providing value, and being willing to learn and adapt. Every single successful creator you see out there started from zero. They just had the passion and the persistence to keep going. Thank you so much for watching. Now go out there and create. Let's get it.